my ginger brother Jiblin. Welcome back to another episode of J Vlogs. I'm here, I'm back again. In today's video, remember to give it a thumbs up, give the video a like, share, comment below. This video is basically a small, informative video giving you some update about Jamaica and calling Jamaica, where calling Jamaica is concerned. So, starting March 31st, Jamaica will add a new area code. Yes, Jamaica only has one area code presently, but starting March 31st, Jamaica will be moving to their second area code. The existing area code, which is 876, will still be active. However, calling Jamaica, either you're abroad or inside the country, you would have to dial 10 digit. So you have to dial at 10 digit. So the two area code that you have to remember is the first one, which is the easy one, 876, and then the number, the 7-digit number after that. So ensure that you put the one in front, 1876, and boom, you're dialing the number. A lot of people are used to that. So the new area code is 658. So that will be implemented on March 31st, 2018. So it is stated that 10-digit dialing becomes mandatory in Jamaica. So please ensure that you add the area code before you call numbers in Jamaica, or else it won't work. So I'm passing on this information early in my video, so you guys that are calling Jamaica or want to call your family and friends in Jamaica, you know what to do now. I know information takes a little while to be passed on, so I'm trying to jump on the boat from early and ensure that you guys get this information. So remember, if you have friends, family, kids, ensure that you dial the area code. Start putting in the area code in your mobile phones if you haven't already, to ensure that you have access to your friends and family, and you're wondering if they're not picking up the phone or if they're dodging you or whatever it is. No, the reason is we're getting a new area code, adding to the existing 876. Your new area code again is 658. It's going to be a little getting used to, because we're only used to the one area code. So ensure that you do that. So I'll put information up here in the screen so you guys can actually look at it, write down the information, memorize it, whatever it is. So that's where I'll end the video. Thanks for watching J Vlogs again. Look out for more videos like this, informative videos, updating the channel and stuff like that. So thanks again for all the support. Remember to subscribe and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll greatly appreciate it, and I'll reach out back to you immediately. So thanks again for watching J Vlogs, guys. I'm out.